Most expensive penthouses in the world. In the realm of real estate, luxury knows no bounds. Penthouses, the crown jewels of high-rise buildings, offer an unparalleled lifestyle that combines breathtaking views, opulent interiors, and exclusivity that only a limited number of individuals can afford. These extravagant living spaces are not just homes. They are expressions of wealth, status, and refined taste. As we embark on a journey through opulence and extravagance, let's explore some of the most expensive penthouses in the world, where price tags are as sky-high as the views they offer. 10. Opus Penthouse, Hong Kong. Price: $66 million. The Opus Penthouse in Hong Kong stands as a testament to the harmonious fusion of visionary architecture and unparalleled luxury. This architectural marvel, designed by the legendary Zaha Hadid, pushes the boundaries of design with its fluid lines and futuristic aesthetics. Each facet of the penthouse is a masterpiece in itself, blending seamlessly to create a symphony of contemporary artistry. Situated within the pulsating heart of Hong Kong, the penthouse offers a panorama that takes the breath away. With an infinity pool that seemingly merges with the city's skyline and a private garden that forms an oasis amidst the urban buzz, this residence offers a retreat from the world while keeping it at arm's length. 9. The One Penthouse, Los Angeles. Price: $100 million. Perched atop the One, a testament to contemporary design in Los Angeles, the One Penthouse redefines living at the pinnacle of luxury. The penthouse itself is a sprawling enclave, offering over 20,000 square feet of living space that exudes extravagance from every corner. What sets the One Penthouse apart is its dedication to providing the ultimate entertainment experience. A private nightclub transforms nights into unforgettable soirees, while the glass-bottomed infinity pool adds a touch of thrill and glamour. The dedicated beauty salon caters to residents' wellness, while the open spaces and cutting-edge interiors make a statement that goes beyond words. 8. The Penthouse at Fan House, Miami Beach. Price: $60 million. Overlooking the sun-kissed beaches of Miami, the Penthouse at Fan House is an epitome of modern living that effortlessly weaves luxury into the laid-back beach vibe. The penthouse stretches over 8,000 square feet and is replete with every amenity that defines opulence. The private rooftop pool is a jewel in the crown, offering a cool escape from the sun as well as a space to admire the infinite stretch of ocean. The summer kitchen invites outdoor dining under the stars, while the seamless blend of indoor and outdoor spaces speaks of a design that celebrates the splendor of nature. 7. South Bank Tower Penthouse, London. Price: $90 million. In the heart of London, where the Thames River meanders through the city's historical landmarks, the South Bank Tower Penthouse offers a view that's as rich in history as it is in modernity. The penthouse, enveloped in floor-to-ceiling windows, transforms every room into a canvas on which the city's story unfolds. This penthouse is more than an exquisite abode. It's an immersion into London's cultural tapestry. The iconic Shard, the grandeur of the Tower Bridge, and the majesty of St. Paul's Cathedral are all part of the symphony that the residents enjoy from their private terrace. Every nook of the penthouse is designed to pay homage to the city, merging classic design elements with contemporary sophistication. 6. 220 Central Park South Penthouse, New York City. Price: $238 million. In the bustling heart of Manhattan, where Central Park provides an oasis of tranquility amidst the city's frenzy, the 220 Central Park South Penthouse emerges as an exquisite jewel in the crown of New York's luxury living scene. This triplex penthouse takes opulence to new heights, both metaphorically and literally. The penthouse is not just a residence, it's an emblem of exclusivity. A private elevator ensures that residents can escape the city's pace and enter their sanctuary with the utmost ease. As you step inside, the breathtaking views of Central Park unfurl like a living work of art, with each season painting a new canvas. The interiors, a blend of timeless elegance and modern aesthetics, resonate with the cosmopolitan vibe of the city. 5. Tour Odeon Penthouse, Monaco. Price: $335 million. Perched above the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea, the Tour Odeon Penthouse in Monaco is a symphony of indulgence, where luxury is defined by both its interiors and the vistas beyond. This penthouse commands attention not just for its extravagant price tag, but for the lifestyle it offers in one of the world's most exclusive locales. The penthouse sprawls across the 49th and 50th floors of the Tour Odeon, providing an unparalleled vantage point to appreciate the principality's breathtaking beauty. The infinity pool, with its glistening waters, offers a seamless transition from indoor to outdoor living, creating a space that celebrates the Mediterranean climate. 4. 1 Hyde Park, London. Price: $250 million. In the refined neighborhood of Knightsbridge, where London's most discerning residents reside, 1 Hyde Park stands as an epitome of elegance and sophistication. The penthouse within this architectural marvel is more than a residence. It's a statement that reflects the affluence and prestige of its inhabitants. The penthouse embraces the concept of a private oasis within the bustling metropolis. A dedicated wine tasting room transforms wine appreciation into an art, while the private valet service ensures that every need is attended to with the utmost care. The views of Hyde Park, a verdant oasis in the heart of London, become part of the penthouse's tapestry, bringing nature into the realm of luxury. 1 Hyde Park isn't just a penthouse, it's a reflection of a life lived at the pinnacle of refinement. 3. The Sky Penthouse, New York City. Price: $238 million. Within the gleaming heights of the crown jewel of Manhattan's skyline, the Sky Penthouse at 111 West 57th Street is a testament to vertical living that redefines luxury. This penthouse is not just a residence, it's a vertical mansion that's perched amongst the clouds, offering a view that's as breathtaking as the city it overlooks. The penthouse, extending across several floors, is more than just a living space. It's a piece of art that unfolds with each room. The interiors blend opulence with comfort, where the finest materials and design elements create an ambience that's as intimate as it is grand. But the real highlight is the view. The uninterrupted vista of Central Park, the skyscrapers, and the city that never sleeps. 2. Penthouse at 15 Central Park West, New York City. Price: $238 million. In the heart of Manhattan, where Central Park stands as an oasis of calm amidst the urban buzz, the penthouse at 15 Central Park West emerges as an exquisite sanctuary of luxury living. This penthouse is more than just an address. It's a testament to New York's allure and a celebration of refined living. The penthouse, sprawling over several floors, is a masterpiece of design, where every detail speaks of sophistication. The panoramic windows open up the city's energy to the residents while maintaining an aura of privacy. The Central Park views, a tableau that changes with every season, offer a direct connection to nature within the confines of the city. With its strategic location and timeless design, the penthouse at 15 Central Park West becomes more than just a residence. It becomes an integral part of New York's iconic skyline. 1. Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse, Monaco. Price: $387 million. In the unparalleled luxury playground of Monaco, where the world's elite gather to indulge in opulence, the Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse redefines extravagance. This penthouse isn't just a residence, it's a world unto itself, a pinnacle of refined living that commands attention not just for its price tag, but for the lifestyle it offers. Sitting atop the Tour Odeon, a modern monolith in Monaco's skyline, the penthouse spans 2 floors and encompasses every facet of luxury living. The infinity pool, with its dramatic cantilever design, becomes an oasis in the sky, while the meticulously curated interiors blend classic elegance with modern comfort. But what truly sets the Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse apart is its panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Principality. It's a view that transcends the ordinary, allowing residents to enjoy the tranquility of the sea and the vivacity of the city from the same vantage point. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.